Here's my little book of positive things I made to keep myself focused on good affirmations. And I made this from just household things. I'll look for the other videos to show you the step-by-step on how to do all these different aspects of it. I just used regular copy paper, crayons, wrapping paper, old greeting cards and note cards. I used the printer and a couple of stickers and some glue sticks. So this is something anybody can make at home. So here's my book of positive things. And I have some of my favorite Rumi quotes in here and quotes from others. The garden of the world has no limits except in your mind. So that's the first page. And this little one here was made from a piece of a greeting card I cut up. Like a brand quote. And on the back, I've decided to be happy because it's good for my health. Voltaire. And this is a little envelope I made out of some old Christmas wrapping paper. One of my favorite quotes by Martha Washington. I am determined to be cheerful and happy in whatever situation I may find myself, for I've learned from experience that the greater part of our happiness or misery depends on our dispositions and not on our circumstances. I put a couple of fun stickers in there too. So all these little pockets kind of have cool hidden stuff. Oh, and speaking of hidden stuff, there's actually something over here too. So this has a little hidden pocket in there with another Rumi quote. And I put a little charm on there and a ribbon. On the next page, this one was made from a little greeting card. Julia Cameron quote. I love this, Florence Nightingale. Variety of form and brilliancy of color in the object presented to patients are an actual means of recovery. In the tapestry of life, we're all connected. Each one of us is a gift to those around us, helping each other be who we are, weaving a perfect picture together. And I did some weaving on the back of this. Art is unquestionably one of the purest and highest elements in human happiness. It trains the mind through the eye and the eye through the mind. As the sun colors flowers, so does art color life. So these are some things I like to be reminded of. Oh, here's one about dancing. Dancers are the messengers of the gods. And on the back, one of my favorites, Nietzsche. And those who were seen dancing were thought to be insane by those who could not hear the music. Mary Oliver's quote, when it's over, I want to say all my life I was a bride, married to amazement. And this is kind of a collage of some of my artwork. Photos of some of my artwork. and a sticker on the front. Goethe. And the last page. Not only the thirsty seek the water as well seeks the thirsty. Rumi quote. That's a piece of my artwork too. So I used prints of my artwork, but it's just as easy to get prints of anything online and print them out, and or magazine pictures, and make a little book of positive things that make you feel good when you look through it. Thanks for watching.